Hi, good morning, guys. This is gonna be the class for today for November 25th. So here we are. Let's just start. So for language arts, we got some several exercises. We're gonna talk about the verb to be. The verb to be. We got some different exercises, and I also have a picture over here, just in case it's gonna help you. So in this exercise over here, we have the verb to be. You got to write complete with the am, s, or are. Okay, in this one, Mark is a student, or are a student, or am a student. So you gotta complete with the right one. Remember, okay. This one, my pet dog is, are, or am dark brown. Susan is, or are, an American student. Which one do you think it is? Now, this one over here, you gotta write the sentence in the negative form. So Carl is not. Remember, either you have to put is not, or are not, or it isn't, or isn't, or aren't. So it's better like you put like is not, like this. You see, it's not, just in case, or are car are not. So you gotta put it in negative. Okay. Now, this one over here, you gotta answer the question. So he said, how old is March? How old is March? So you could look March. You see March. So March, she is, because it's a female, she is 12 years old. Or 12. You gotta put different, or she's 12. You can put also 12. You see? But you gotta put she is, or he is, or they are. So like this. Number two, how old are Kate or March? So they asking about two people there. Two people they're asking. You see, two people. So in two people, you gotta put is more than one. You cannot be he or she. It has to be more. So in that case, maybe they, I don't know, maybe they say like they are this age or that age. So you gotta pay attention to that. Okay. So in this exercise also, you have a today and you have to go yesterday. It's about present and past. Present and past sense. Okay. So like number one, it says I am, is, or are at home. What do you think it goes there? Katie. Katie is, are, or am thirsty. Which one do you think it goes there? Now, if we move to this one, yesterday, we could talk about the past. We can say like, I was or were at school. Katie was or were hungry. So one of the things I'm also going to show you is this picture, in which they're going to help you a lot with the verbs, conjugations, singular and plural. But you don't know when you have I, you're going to use I am. You see? And you're going to use are. And he, she, or it will be is. You see? Is. And we are. You are, or they are. So this is gonna help you just in case you need in this exercises over here, and this exercise also is gonna help you a lot. Okay, but don't worry, I'll be here and I will explain you. Don't worry about it. Now, if we move to the other exercise, social studies, we're gonna talk about Thanksgiving. So we got different exercises over here, in which involve Thanksgiving. So if we have this one, this is gonna be about the celebration of the United States. In here, you gotta see these pictures. This picture, they have a celebration. All these pictures. So if I say, let me see this one, it's very simple. So I think this one is Halloween. So I'm gonna put Halloween over here, and then I'm gonna put the date that happened. Down is gonna be the date. So that date is gonna be in October 31st. So I'm gonna put it here and there. Then I have Halloween. So the next one, you have to find the other ones by looking at the pictures. If you need help or something, you can Google these words and they can help you with, they give you the date. Or you can ask me, just in case, all right? Now in the other one here, you have to listen. You have to listen. You have to listen and choose the right one, right? You listen and you gotta choose the right one, okay? You have to choose which one is the right one. Okay, that's gonna be with that exercise. In this exercise over here, all you have to do is, okay, that's given. So let's say I have puzzle board, crossword. So I say number one, down. Number one, down means over here, down. So what is this? If you know what is this, or you can find the word over here, you can put it right here by the letters C-O-R-N. You see? And number three, or see, number three is a cross. Number three is gonna be this side over here. You're gonna put the letters and the words. The words are over here, so you can need help. You got the pictures and the words are over here, so you can match it together. Okay. All right. So that's gonna be for social studies. So let's move to math. In math, we're gonna do something special, in which you're gonna do the table of multiplication. I'm gonna put you the table of multiplication just by the way, just in case. In this one, we're gonna talk about a game Among Us, but it's gonna be tables, okay? So in this exercise over here, you say like 6 times 1. How much 6 times 1? I will say here it's 6. Now 6 times 6, I will look at the table, I think it's 36. So you gotta put the answers just like that, okay? So you can move, this one is the same. Now this one, we're gonna table of 4. Now if we move on down, we're gonna ask you like 56. This is the answer, 56. So one number multiplied by 8 is gonna give me 56. There you go. You're gonna find the other number over here that multiplied by 8 is gonna give me 56. Just in case here, one number is, what table of the multiplication is 25. So 5 times, let's say 5 times 5 equals 25. You see? All you have to do is just put the table, the operation, and you will find the answer right here. See? Now in this one, you gotta use the which one? 9 times 3, what it is? What do you think it is? And you have to complete it with the right one. 9 times 3. You see? 5 times 4. You complete it, you drag them with the pencil, the right one, alright? Continue like that. This one is gonna be multiplication. 8 times 5 is what? 7 times 3 is what? You see? 6 times 5 is what? It's gonna be. And then you finish. I got another one over here in which you gotta find out who is the imposter. Who's the imposter? So here, what you need to do is 3 times 9, you're gonna find the answer over here of 3 times 9, and you're gonna drag it over here. 5 times 5, you're gonna drag it over here until there's gonna be one missing. There's not gonna be, it's gonna be the imposter, and the imposter you're gonna put it right here. You see, if you think this is an imposter, you're gonna put it right here, okay? And then you click finish. Easy peasy. And then we have the other one, and this is gonna be addition. One of these, or several of these, I don't know, I think one of these is wrong. One of this is wrong because you have the answer over here, you see? It gives you the answer, but you have to know which one has the wrong answer. And if you think that, let's say this one is the imposter, you click on this one like this. If you think that's the imposter. But one of those, he has to be the wrong, has to be wrong. So you have to click which one is gonna be right. If you think this is right, you say, okay, this is right. Let's say like 4 plus 9 equals 13. Okay, very good. 3 plus 2, 5. And 1 plus 3, 4. All right, let's say. So you gotta look for the imposter over here. All right, you have to choose the right one. Right? Okay, so that's gonna be for today. I hope you got it, and if you need any help, please let me know. I will here gladly to help you. Okay, thank you guys. See you.